Today we are taking a look at a 16-inch Tatung stand fan. I'd say this is a mid to late 90s product. So I got this yesterday from my neighbor's basement. She's older and she needs help doing things, and she's trying to clean out her house, and I saw these fans in her basement and I asked about them and she said, go ahead, take them. And this is one of two. The other one is a box fan, and I'll do a future video on that. But this is the Tatung stand fan. She said it hasn't been used in at least 15 to 20 years. And it's obviously never been cleaned either. You can see the stand is very, very gross. There's some schmutz on the pipe that holds the fan up. It has a pretty nice sturdy, the base is really sturdy. Better than some other 90s stand fans. If you look at the controls, it has this really cool design where you just turn this thing, and it starts off on low, which is really nice. Stand fan. We'll take a look at the information tag. "16-inch stand fan. Made in China, manufactured exclusively for Sunstar United Corporation." And then right there, Tatung Company. That's the model right there, SLR-16. Here is the motor housing. It has a really cool kind of, it just looks a bit different than usual. There's the back. There's a bit of dust in there, not a crazy amount. But we'll clean that out. This works. Very dusty on the back. You can see this is kind of yellowed. The neck is yellowed. It's got a nice handle. The blade is pretty decent. It does work. I've tested it just to make sure it does actually work. And yes, it works. And this is the height adjustment, and it goes really high. And that's the screw to hold the fan on the base. Okay, so let's test the fan out. As it is, this is before any cleaning or anything. Okay, we're gonna start off on low. Now, it moves a really good amount of air for low. And you can see the blade is, it's not in clock at all. It's very, it's shaking a little bit. But it's not bad. I'm not really gonna bother fixing it. Like the balance. Let's go to medium. And then we'll go to high. Oh. Yeah, not that stable actually, but table might be uneven, I'm not sure. It moves a really good amount of air. I don't have anything to test it, but it outperforms my modern Amazon Basics fan. And we'll test oscillation. It has an interesting oscillation. It has like a fast side-to-side stop. It stops and then it goes. See, it stops on each side. Interesting. Then we'll go to medium. It's a bit fast, but low. Yeah, that works. Seems to work pretty well. It moves a lot of air and I haven't cleaned it yet. Now obviously it's not an 80s like Galaxy fan or anything like that, but it's better than what they make today. I'll say that. The bearings seem alright. I'll oil them. I have the oil. And the next video will be cleaning and oiling this fan because it needs it. It's very filthy.